Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol iBio. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but it will anyways, just to establish context. Very, very impressive movement today. And when you stop and think about the fact that the price closed on Friday right there and then ultimately closed today up there. Granted, there was a big pullback from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where the price was here to where it closed, nice solid move. But all this does bring about the more than valid question of, yeah, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the $1.95 mark. Why is $1.95 important? And I'm not saying that this is what's going to happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to go down to that level, behave like that, and then continue on down, what would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, you'd have the price quite literally right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side, to be fair, no pricing goes straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, at least at this point, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have those lows right there. If you envision each one of those as stair-steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And that's what the $1.95 mark is representing, progress moving forward. Now, in the event the price just decides it wants to start to work its way back upwards, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, first key area of resistance on any sort of bounce back to the upside is going to be $2.35. And then next key level after $2.35, right up there around the $2.60 mark. But all in all, any way to look at it, monster volume today, very impressive price movement. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum moving forward and show signs of progress. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.